Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to put your Verizon router into bridge mode so another router can handle Wi-Fi or network management, the setup may feel a little confusing at first. Sometimes internet devices start conflicting with each other, slow performance appears, or settings become harder to manage when multiple routers are doing the same job. Since bridge mode changes how the Verizon router handles network traffic, knowing the right order can make the process much smoother. The good part is that once bridge mode is enabled correctly, managing your home network can often feel simpler and more organized. Let's walk through an easy way to put a Verizon router in bridge mode. Try these. Step 1. Connect a device to the Verizon router and confirm internet access works normally before changing settings. Step 2. Open the login page connected to the Verizon router and sign in using the correct administrator details. Step 3. Go through network or advanced settings on the Verizon router and look for bridge mode options. Step 4. Enable bridge mode on the Verizon router if the setting appears for your model. Step 5. Connect the secondary router to the Verizon router after bridge mode finishes applying changes. Step 6. Test internet access through the Verizon router setup and confirm the new network works normally.